Hi everybody, my name is Boss Mode Billy. I like to make gaming content as well as other videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you love Roblox as much as I do. I'm going to do more gameplay videos and walkthrough tutorials in the future, so make sure you ring that bell for notifications. Welcome back to Too Many Weapons. Are you a part of the Boss Mode Nation? Let me know in the comments below if you are Boss Mode. Let's get into it, gamers. The world of SpongeBob SquarePants, set in the underwater town of Bikini Bottom, can be seen as a microcosm of the Bitcoin market, where characters' experiences and interactions mirror the dynamics of cryptocurrency investing. At first glance, it may seem like a far-fetched idea, but bear with me and you'll see that the parallels between the two are actually quite striking. Just like Bikini Bottom, the Bitcoin market is a unique and quirky world, full of colorful characters, unexpected twists and turns, and a sense of excitement and possibility that's hard to find anywhere else. Mr. Krabs' relentless pursuit of wealth, Squidward's skepticism and doubts, and SpongeBob's unwavering optimism and enthusiasm all reflect different aspects of the Bitcoin investing experience. And by exploring these similarities, we can gain a deeper understanding of the Bitcoin market and how to navigate its ups and downs. Just as Mr. Krabs' relentless pursuit of wealth drives the economy of Bikini Bottom, the profit motive drives investors to participate in the Bitcoin market, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Mr. Krabs' insatiable desire for treasure and riches is the engine that powers the town's economy, with everyone from SpongeBob to Squidward to Sandy relying on a Krusty Krab for their livelihood. Similarly, the potential for profit is what draws investors into the Bitcoin market, with the promise of significant returns on investment driving people to buy, sell, and trade the cryptocurrency. As more and more people participate in the market, a self-sustaining ecosystem emerges, with buyers and sellers interacting and influencing one another in complex ways. Just as the Krusty Krab's success relies on the interplay between Mr. Krabs' greed, SpongeBob's enthusiasm, and the customer's demand for Krabby Patties, the Bitcoin market relies on the interplay between investors' profit motives, the technological infrastructure that supports the network, and the broader economic and social trends that shape the global economy. This interplay gives rise to a dynamic and constantly evolving system, full of opportunities and risks, and requiring a deep understanding of the underlying mechanics to navigate successfully. The unpredictable nature of Bikini Bottom, with its frequent interruptions by plankton schemes or other chaos, parallels the volatility of the Bitcoin market, where sudden changes in market sentiment can significantly impact prices. In Bikini Bottom, you never know when plankton will hatch a new plan to steal the Krabby Patty formula, or when a giant anchor will come crashing down on the town, causing chaos and disruption. Similarly, in the Bitcoin market, prices can fluctuate wildly in response to unexpected events, such as a major exchange hack, a change in government's regulations, or a sudden shift in investor sentiment. Just as the citizens of Bikini Bottom have learned to be prepared for anything, Bitcoin investors must be prepared for the unexpected, with a keen eye on market trends and a healthy dose of skepticism. The unpredictability of both worlds requires a flexible and adaptable approach, with a willingness to adjust to changing circumstances and a strong stomach for the inevitable ups and downs. Whether it's Plankton's latest scheme or a sudden market downturn, the key to success lies in being able to navigate the uncertainty and come out on top, with a combination of quick thinking, level-headed decision-making, and a deep understanding of the underlying dynamics at play. The character of Squidward, who often finds himself caught up in the chaos despite his reservations, represents the cautious investor who is drawn into the Bitcoin market despite initial skepticism, highlighting the importance of risk management. Squidward's skeptical and often grumpy demeanor makes him a reluctant participant in the zany adventures of his neighbors, yet he inevitably gets pulled in, often with hilarious and chaotic results. Similarly, many investors approach the Bitcoin market with a healthy dose of skepticism, aware of the potential risks and uncertainties, but ultimately getting drawn in by the promise of potential rewards. As Squidward's experiences show, it's possible to get caught up in the excitement and momentum of the market, even if you're not entirely convinced, and this is where risk management becomes crucial. Just as Squidward might try to mitigate the chaos by setting boundaries or creating distance, cautious investors in the Bitcoin market must take steps to manage their risk, such as diversifying their portfolios, setting stop-loss orders, or investing only what they can afford to lose. By acknowledging the potential risks and taking proactive steps to mitigate them, investors can navigate the Bitcoin market with greater confidence and clarity, even if they're not entirely sure what's around the corner. Squidward's reluctant participation in the chaos of Bikini Bottom serves as a reminder that even the most cautious among us can get swept up in the excitement, and that a well-thought-out risk management strategy is essential for navigating the unpredictable world of Bitcoin investing. The optimism and enthusiasm of SpongeBob and his friends, who always seem to find a way to bounce back from adversity, reflect the long-term bullish outlook of many Bitcoin investors who believe in the potential of the technology to revolutionize the financial system. SpongeBob's irrepressible enthusiasm and unwavering optimism are infectious, inspiring those around him to adopt a similar mindset and approach to life. Whether he's facing a disastrous Krabby Patty batch or a massive jellyfish invasion, SpongeBob always manages to find the silver lining and bounce back with renewed energy and enthusiasm. Similarly, many Bitcoin investors share a similar long-term bullish outlook, driven by their conviction that the underlying technology has the potential to transform the financial system and create new opportunities for growth and innovation. Despite the many challenges and setbacks that have faced the Bitcoin market, these investors remain optimistic, focusing on the potential for the technology to increase financial inclusion, reduce transaction costs, and provide a more secure and transparent alternative to traditional financial systems. Just as SpongeBob and his friends are able to overcome even the most daunting challenges through their collective enthusiasm and creativity, Bitcoin investors are driven by their faith in the potential of the technology to create a better future and their willingness to work together to build and support the ecosystem. This optimism and enthusiasm are key drivers of the Bitcoin market, fueling innovation, investment, and adoption, and helping to propel the technology forward, even in the face of adversity. By channeling the optimism and enthusiasm of SpongeBob and his friends, Bitcoin investors can stay focused on the long-term potential of the technology and work together to build a brighter, more decentralized financial future. Ultimately, the coexistence of different personalities and investment strategies in Bikini Bottom, from the reckless abandon of Patrick Star to the calculated approach of Sandy Cheeks, mirrors the diversity of the Bitcoin market, where investors must navigate their own risk tolerance and investment goals to succeed. Just as the citizens of Bikini Bottom have learned to coexist and even thrive amidst their differences, Bitcoin investors must recognize and respect the diverse range of perspectives and strategies that exist within the market. Patrick Starr's impulsive and reckless approach to life, for example, might be likened to the high-risk, high-reward strategy of a Bitcoin investor who is willing to take bold bets and ride out the volatility of the market. On the other hand, Sandy Cheek's scientific and analytical approach to problem-solving reflects the more cautious and calculated approach of an investor who carefully researches and evaluates the market before making a move. Meanwhile, SpongeBob's eternal optimism and enthusiasm embodied the long-term bullish outlook of many Bitcoin investors, while Squidward's skepticism and caution serve as a reminder of the importance of risk management and diversification. By embracing and navigating this diversity, Bitcoin investors can learn to appreciate the unique perspectives and strengths that each approach brings, and develop a more nuanced and effective investment strategy that reflects their own risk tolerance and goals. Just as the citizens of Bikini Bottom have learned to live in harmony with one another despite their differences, Bitcoin investors can learn to thrive in a market that is characterized by diversity, complexity, and constant change. By recognizing the parallels between the world of Bikini Bottom and the Bitcoin market, investors can gain a deeper understanding of the market's dynamics and develop the skills and strategies needed to succeed in this exciting and rapidly evolving space. Thanks for watching! If you want to see more of this content, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. Peace out, gamers!